Next up, deadlines for White Lotus. In this, we need to complete 4 contracts in under 6 minutes. It's really just a speedrun challenge. That's pretty much it. 4 contracts in under 6 minutes total. Now, while this can be accomplished with skill, you will still need a handful of luck to get these contracts close enough together, or of course bring a vehicle with you. It's not impossible, but it'll be difficult. Also, do the quick missions, not the long ones. So as this timer starts exactly when you pick up a contract, it's a very good idea to keep something like, say, a Geiger counter on you so you can quickly switch between these missions. Do one, two, maybe the next. It'll help save a bit of time at least, which is something. Time is very valuable with this mission. So for now, I'll go ahead and just start a mission outside of this total timer, just so we can go and get ourselves a Geiger counter. So at least when we start the next one, the timer should start again. Right, well, let's just try a few HVT missions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we can do it. Now that I have a fast vehicle with me, let's quickly race across and grab this mission. It should be a little bit faster than the nuclear material missions, as we could just race across, get a kill, and race back. This one is super close, but I'll still take a vehicle anyways. Right, so getting an HVT kill, we'll head across to the next mission, which I'll also do as an elimination contract, assuming we can get across there. Okay, so we'll grab this one as well. Now we need to head halfway across the planet. Not the best, but maybe it'll take us closer to a third contract that we can complete just in time. We're already cutting into perfectly the time of the second mission. We need to finish this well within 2 minutes in order to have a chance of finishing the third within 2 minutes. Okay, there we go. Here's the HVT. Now that we've done that mission, we just need to get out of here and across to a third mission. We'll see if we can do that in time. That was actually perfect, as we're really in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so now for the last one, we'll get going across to where we need to be and hopefully finish this just as quickly. And there we go. There's the third kill and the third confirm. Now we should be done with the mission. 4 contracts, never mind. Wow, we need to actually do this a hell of a lot faster. Okay. So I doubt we can do this within 55 seconds, especially considering there's just AI everywhere. Are they close? No, they're not. Yeah, we're not getting over there in time. Oh well, that was a good attempt. For now, we'll just reset and try again. For deadlines for White Lotus, the best place to do this is the city in Al Mazrah. Reason being, there's tons and tons of these HVT contracts all over the place, and these are what we're going to use to finish this mission quickly. Obviously, you can do all kinds of missions, you can get friends to help you, but of course you can only do one mission at a time. That's why I say HVT missions are the best for this, as you can complete them relatively quickly, especially if you get your friends to spread out around Al Mazrah city, and of course all have vehicles, you can get this done very quickly. Or of course people are waiting on contracts so that you can eagerly pick up the next one within seconds of finishing the previous one. That is a great way to finish 4 contracts all in one go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully no one steals any one of these, as that is probably the most likely cause for me failing this mission. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab a vehicle here and get started with these HVT missions. This one's underground, let's go for a different one. This electric Hummer is a great choice. It's incredibly fast and agile. Now, when you start one of these contracts, you'll want to quickly mark another contract before you start. That way you can immediately head over to the next location, because the contracts will only show after a short while from completing a previous mission. And of course, you can do any kinds of missions for these. That doesn't need to be said. It's just the fact that these missions are the quickest, especially if you're solo. Heading across to the first one here, we'll go ahead and start it, and we'll mark another one. Now we'll immediately need to get over to the next location. So that is all the way up on top of this building here. There's zip lines around the back to help us get on top of it. Let's just do this. Wasting precious seconds here. We're going to ignore most of the AI except for the HVT itself. We'll kill it and run all the way on top of it, then run away. That's really all that's required here. So having a look at these AI here, I don't see the HVT, unfortunately. I think they're inside of the building. Nope, never mind, they are outside. I'm just blind. Okay, well, this is definitely a slowdown that was not intended. I think this is the HVT. Must be. Sweet. Okay, HVT down. We'll go for the next one pretty much immediately. So we'll go for the next contract. This one is upstairs. I don't think there's a faster way up, so we'll just have to go for it. Marking the next contract, we'll try and get back to the vehicle, get in, and let's go for it. Okay, so this one is just over this edge, I think, somewhere here. That's it. Now we need to go confirm it and go for the next one immediately. So that is 2. We're exactly halfway there, and we still have both of these contracts, which is a good omen. All right, let's quickly complete this. Yoink. And let's mark the last one up there. All right, so this one is close to where we need to be, which is excellent. So I think this man will be located between these buildings here somewhere. This car is properly beached here, I think. That's not good. This man is usually upstairs, I think. Oh, perfect. He came straight for us and couldn't have gone any better. But this car is well and truly beached. That is terrible. Okay, the last mission, we need to do this as fast as possible. We're so incredibly close, and there is a quad bike there, which is huge. Okay, so up the building here. Yoink, and out. Let's get to where we need to be. Perfect, that is relatively close. It's outside, so hopefully we can get them within a minute. There's the dude. Let's just go for it. And that should be it. Elimination complete. And of course, mission complete as well. So anyways, that's really about it for this super quick guide. Hopefully you found this easy enough to do, especially if you're solo. It's not that difficult. You just need some luck on your side, and to do it in a place like Al Mazrah City. The other maps do work, but you have a much higher chance of running into other players, which is terrible. For me though, I need to run. Anyway, that's about it for this super quick guide. Hopefully you found this useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.